Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Okay, we're done with chainsaw videos for a little while. I'm going to go back onto the rototiller. I really need to get off chainsaw. First thing I'm going to do is mount up the rototiller onto the power head and see how that works. Not very hard to do. There's a little button on the side here. Just slide that in. Just gotta loosen this handle up first. Slide that in, that button pops out, and there you go. Now I think this is a little odd. The engine is sitting upright, and the rototiller head is at an angle. So I don't think that's proper. I think if I loosen that screw up, I should be able to turn it. I want to have the head lined up with the power unit. There we go. That worked. That's tight. Tighten this guy up. First thing to do is check the oil level. Yep, we're good. Now, make sure the switch is on. Place choke lever in partial. Right there. I think I need to tighten the handle up a little bit and tighten that clamp up a little bit, because this area right here is spinning. Well, I don't think I'd want to do a 40-acre field with it, but if I was going in between the rows of carrots in my garden, this would be really nice, because it goes along and cuts really well. This ground is hard. This is the tractor path that I drive the tractor from the tractor shed around to the front yard, so this is packed down really solid. Plus it's got all these round stones in it. Somebody built a patio or something over there with these little round stones, and there was like 5 inches deep of them. I drug a lot of them away and used them in other places, but as I was driving the stuff away, they kind of filled in the path for the tractor, which isn't all bad. But for this little bugger, as tiny as it is, it's got a lot of power. It was pulling me around pretty good, as you could see. I think I need to set the idle just a little bit lower, because the clutch is engaged in running the blades all the time, and I want to be able to let off on the throttle and let the blades stop. All in all, George, I think I got it. Now, to see if Lydia can run it. Nah, not even going to try that one. I need to tighten up some screws and add a couple of bolts to this handle, tighten up the connection between the power head and the rototiller head, and this thing's all set to go. Very happy with it. Thanks, George. This has been an interesting project. Took a little bit of doing, and I had to learn a lot of stuff, but that's what we do them for. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.